Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying that Dreamlight Valley is unlocked and you have progressed past the opening quests. Once done, open your Quests tab and prioritize tasks that reference gardening, vendors, or tool caches. Make sure you have an available equipment slot for a tool and roughly 100 Dreamlight to trade if needed. Immediately travel to the Valley Hub. This saves time and triggers NPC dialogue that can reveal the watering can location. Act now and don't skip the quest confirmations. Next, focus on high-probability locations, the gardening vendor, village market stalls, and nearby bazaar stalls. You should interact with any NPC showing a gardening icon at least 2 to 3 times. Repeated interaction often triggers a gift or quest that awards tools. Walk the perimeter of greenhouses, tool sheds, and player garden plots. Visually scan for a sparkling object or chest. If you find a chest, open it. Dreamlight Valley often hides tools in interactive containers rather than on the ground. Finally, obtain the watering can by finishing any brief fetch quest or trading Dreamlight at a vendor that lists tools. Once awarded, equip it immediately to confirm functionality. If you do not receive the can, reload the area or fast travel away and return. NPC interactions and vendor inventory often refresh after a restart. As a last resort, check vendor stock again or save/load the game. This forces respawns and usually resolves missing item issues in Dreamlight Valley.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.